Hi class, welcome to our Padlet. This is going to be a very quick tutorial just showing you how to navigate on Padlet in case you've never used it. So if you want to add an entry in Padlet, the first thing you're going to do is look at the lower right corner of your screen and you'll see a plus button. Okay? It says double click anywhere, drag files in, paste from clipboard, or click here to post. So I'm just going to click here. And it's going to bring a little box up for me, okay? And you can see that the cursor's moving here. And I'm going to title it, and I'm just going to title it Mrs. L, okay? I'm just going to title it Mrs. L. And then it says write something. And this is where you're going to begin to write your message and share your message with the class so that we can learn more about each other, okay? That's as simple as that. If you make a mistake, you can always go back. So here we go. I'm just going to use the backspace. If you want to delete this entry, right, you can just click the little icon up above. That looks like a garbage can. If you click these three buttons here, you can see where you can actually add your voice. You can embed links. You can upload from your own computer or iPad, whatever the case might be. There's many options. For today, all I want you to do is just tell me a bit about yourself. Okay, so you don't have to use any of the extra features. However, if you're already versed with Padlet and you feel very comfortable with it, feel free to go ahead and use it. But for today, all I want you to do is tell me a bit about yourself. Okay? There, that's the beginning of my message, and I am very excited to have all of you in class. Okay, when you're done, all you have to do is click out of it, and that's it. Okay, so hopefully this helps you just to be able to begin exploring in Padlet again. If we were going to do this over, all you would do is click the plus button here, okay, and give it a title. Your name's going to appear up here. All right, that's because I already added some additional information when I created this Padlet. So your name will pop up. Give it a title. I don't care what you title it. It could be a nickname. It can be your name, as long as it's appropriate. And then tell us something about yourself, okay? And if you make a mistake, again, the little garbage icon, and you can delete it. Okay, have fun. That's it. Thank you.